He's missing his two friends who are obviously out getting in trouble. They have moved some things around here. Oh, what's this? This is really pretty. Grace's Teaware. Why do I like that so much? That's really pretty, isn't it? I like it. So we got Rosanna. Yes, I just had a song go through my head with that. I see some more teacups, but I'll go on to the other side and look at those. That's what I thought. That's fall scrap. We've got, they just say dishwasher safe. And they just turned the radio on. So this video is going to be a little mix between voiceover and my real voice when I was away from the speakers. This was really pretty. I couldn't really figure out if this was like a hobbyist piece that was painted or this was done by someone, but it was from the year 2000. And they're asking $10, but it'll be $5 on Saturday when they're having a half price sale. So let me know if you see something you think I should go back for. Little Holly hobby. That looks like, is that Pioneer Woman? It is Pioneer Woman. Now this one's $8. And I know not every pattern is created equal, so I'll probably look this one up. I am going to pick this one up. So that's a good deal. I think part of the reason I pick up the Pioneer Women stuff too is I just really like it. So if it didn't sell and I got stuck with it, I would not be complaining because I like it. They did a good thing with it. Now I have to set my dish out. Oh, look at this chair. That is a really nice chair. So I'm going to use this chair. Set that down for a minute. Go back. Oh, it's a pineapple pitcher. How fun is that? For $6. Oh, but didn't have that chip. Oh, darn it. I hate when stuff gets chippied. Okay. Okay. I kind of like this. Oh, it's a mirror under there. That's really cute. But I do see something Disney down here. What is this? Bird feeder activity. Oh, it's to make this bird feeder. Disney. Oh, there's two of them. There's a Mickey. Oh, there's a Mickey and a Minnie. You know, I do want to put up bird feeders at the house, and you know who could paint these? Yes, Rachel could actually put these together and make us some cute little bird feeders. So since there's Mickey and Minnie, I'm going to get those. And then there's all kinds of these little cute little painting things here. There's a tree. I do like the tree. She's got, I'm so bad. I'm like, I feed her little crafting pile of stuff. Hoarding. Bad mom. This, set down my other things here. This is actually made by Odagiri. And I would actually pick this up if he didn't have that chip on his nose. I'm being much more discriminating about things and not picking up things with damage as much as I used to. I used to be more forgiving, and now I am getting too many things. So I see something here. I wanna, oh, it's a little little book box, I guess. 1982 Walker books. Those are really sweet. There's some. Oh, let me open up like this. Okay, I gotta put the camera down because I'm making a mess and I gotta put these back together. But I might pick these up. Okay, I did pick those up because they're super cute. And they were just $2. This looks like Willow Tree. Is it? It is Willow Tree. This one is $10, so this will be $5 on Saturday. I see a cute chicken back here too. Come here, cute chicken. Oh, he's very, very lightweight. Yeah, I'm not sure what he's made of. He's very, very lightweight. So, you see the dog? I see the dog. He's a Get Well Soon Basset by Artco. I don't know. What do you think about him? I don't think I want to pay $6 for him. Oh, she was here last time. She was on a different shelf, but I recognize her little glowing cheeks. She's a hobbyist piece. Ooh, it's a little sea urchin. These are Royal Albert. That would be a creamer and open sugar. Those are nice. Let me just make sure. Nope, there is a crack. Darn it. So we have to leave those. All right. It's okay. We got lots of stuff. He's pretty cute. Looks like just a little hand project piece. He's very cute. Let's see, anything else? I can't live with that. Oh, that's fun. That's just fun. She needs one little googly eye replaced. You know what? For $1, I think I will get that fun little piece. These are usually made in Italy. Cabo made in whatever that says underneath there. I'm not sure what that says underneath there. Okay, I'm failing. There it is. Made in Spain. Made in Spain. I may come back and get those on Saturday. $12 for the set. So again, this is the Noritake. I showed almost exactly the same coloring and style that was made in Czechoslovakia. So you have to look and see if it's Czech or if it's Japan. This is pretty classic lusterware. Alright. This looks colorful and fun. Little cupcake pens. Those are fun. Alright, oh yeah, I said I was going to get her. Oh, Scentsy Red Fox. Although I have not been doing my Scentsy's anymore because we're now in a single-story house, so the birds are on the same level, and so we have to be very, very, very careful of anything with toxic fumes. And unfortunately, most candles and Scentsy's and things like that do have the toxic fumes for birds. If anybody knows of any melts that are non-toxic for birds, let me know. You kind of see. Okay, I need both hands. Okay, I got it. That's what he looks like. He's a candy jar. All right. I've got some cute little... Okay, there's a rhino. You know what? I find myself with no hands again. Stand back. I have to put something down. Okay. This little guy. Oh my gosh, this little guy. For $2, yes. That Toto looks just a little scary. And then there's all these masks. We'll go to the other side and see those a little better. You know what? Let me come back and get those too. I go through a lot of Post-it notes. This looks like, is it you there? Francoma. It is Francoma. It's just gotta look. It's gotta look, that Francoma does. I see some more teacups and stuff on the other side, but we'll go around to that side and look at that stuff. Look at this candle. It's a mushroom. And if you guys see anything you want me to come back and get, I am happy to do that for you. Ooh, maracas. Those are cool. Ooh, I like this. I like the birdies. I don't have my big bird wall anymore though. I've lost my bird space. Oh, 50% off down here. Those are little project pieces, it looks like. Where somebody just they take a nice plate and a nice glass piece and then they put them together. I was getting a little close to the speaker again, so just gonna do a little voiceover here. I spotted these really cool Danbury Mint. They are historic railroad stations, and I honestly don't remember how much they were asking for them. I forgot to look, but they are really cool. See, the price is there, and $75. It looks like, hey, that's a good price. I might have to go back and get those. And there's Marilyn. Oh, what jewelry trouble can I get into today? There's another giraffe. That's an interesting, oh, it's missing a little rhinestone. I'm super excited that I actually get to shop jewelry again because I don't mind looking for it and picking it up. I just don't like listing and describing it on eBay. But you guys have made it totally fun again with doing the live sales because I can just show it and describe it and you guys know what the stuff is. And I know how to, kind of find the stuff that's fun, like, elephant earrings. Gotta pick up elephant earrings. And doggy earrings. We must pick up doggy earrings. So everything you see me pick up in jewelry will always be in my live sales. I'm not listing any jewelry on eBay. And then I spot it. I spot the basket of pins over there. Oh, no, wait. I'll be back to that for sure. After I look, one more pair of earrings here. These are sterling, so the price is justified. I just can't do that for my resale. But let's go to the pins. These pins are $2. I already see. Going to be, okay. I will show you guys what I pick out of here in just a moment. So this is the pile of goodies that I picked out. I'm excited. This is going to be in the next jewelry live sale. Okay, back to the other goodies. I did come back to this unknown Jerome cookie jar that you guys had said, hey, those sell. But they also know that they sell. So they have it priced at a pretty good price there. But I'm still not going to get it today. Oh, it's a pretty little bottle for $1. Take that. This is actually marked Federal Glass on the bottom. See that little F? I spotted another one of these little kind of ruby flashed souvenir pieces. They are EAPG. They are from the 1800s to early 1900s, but this one didn't have any engraving on it to make it super exciting like some of the last ones that I got. Some interesting metal things, but metal just isn't my thing. This is a really cute little electrified oil lamp, vintage. But I'm just really, I don't have room for big stuff right now. I'm still getting organized after moving, so I'm really resisting. But these, I couldn't resist. These are very interesting. They are carved from wood, obviously very vintage. And I know nothing about them, but I'm gonna find out. And then I like these little wood coffee and sugar bowls. But I just really wasn't, I don't know, I just wasn't in the mood to really think about buying wood objects today for some reason. But I did like these. I can't read what it says, but they are marked.
I'm Bonnie. I'm Bonnie. I'm Marina. Good to meet you. Hi. Oh my God, what a cutie. And Mickey. Guess what? You've got to find a little longer. Really good.
What those are, but they're kind of interesting. So that is what this thrift store supports. They support a home for spot dog rescue, specifically elderly dogs with medical needs. It's really cool. I loved this swan bowl. It is made by Mikasa, and oddly enough, it just doesn't have a really good resale value. It sells like for $15 to $20 maybe. Super spectacular though, I gotta say. And there's somebody's cute little poodle. They get really nice donations here, like silver and gold and, oh, Joseph Originals. Now, one of the ways you can tell the good Joseph Originals from more of the, not reproduction, just made later, is those black eyes. You want the black eyes, but sadly, this little girl has been repaired. You can see the crack in her waist. Otherwise, I would have scooped her up. He's missing his two friends who are obviously out getting in trouble. All right, these are fun.
A lot of moving involved in it.
Yep.
Move them out there.
I don't know how much these are. It's 10 for that one. This would be fun. Okay. Oh, we've got some tonella pottery with a bird. That's a nice size. It's not too big for shipping. Is that one also 8? That one's getting a little bit on the big side, but you know what? That one's 10. I think I'll put the two smaller ones just because those are easy to ship. Okay, I'm a sucker for these things. I love these. $6. I gotta get it. I'm dumb, but I like these. Alright. Got Haviland Limoges. Nice little set. Here's that. It's $20 for all. Ooh. There's a lot of pieces there for $20. That's a nice buy. Oh, we've got some dragonware, Fairyland china. I can tell it's too thick to have the lithophane in it. And that's $8. I think I will I will grab that one. This is just a nice little Japanese teacup and saucer. I'm gonna go ahead and pick this one up too. I think that's nice. This is depression glass. I don't pick that up. We'll just look over here real quick and then I'll take my stuff up. Oh, hello. Not a toy. Used for decoration. Who are you? I just super love you. You have to go home with me. There's those masks. Still
Are they like voladores?
Cast iron ones. Cool.
That's super cool.
They are super cool.
Collective.
Let's see. What's on these? Oh, these are little wall hangings. Yeah, I'm not a super fan of the metals. I'm just not. I much prefer the glass. Is this the Shirley Temple? No, this has a building on it. I don't know. Okay, what's that building? I don't know. This feels like Bristol glass. Feels like it would have had a stopper in there. Oh, look at you. For $6. Yeah. I don't normally pay that much, but I'm going to pay that much for the elephant box. Okay, I just spotted this. Look how awesome that is. I'm going to see if they'll let me have this for 10. I really like this jar, but I have no place for it in my own house. It's an interesting little cork. I'm going to put you over here where people can see you. Neat little crystal. Actually, I think I'm going to get that for a friend of mine who loves that kind of stuff. This is real coral. $6. This is chokin art. You can see the art of chokin. Let's see what's on this side. Flopsy Mopsy Cottontail and Peter. It's made by Wedgwood. Very sweet. Here's the ones I wanted to look at. Rosina. I've never heard of Rosina, but that is pretty striking. And this is Fiesta. $8. There's plates. I just don't know enough about Fiesta. So is that for like kind of that soup and sandwich kind of thing going there again? Souvenir dish made in Austria. Oh, it's Temptations. It's $20 for the set. A little ramekin. Yeah, unfortunately, this one's pretty dinged up. but that's only going to be $10 on Saturday. So that is going to be a good buy for someone. Oh, I didn't see this when I was here the first time. So these are Korok, and they have the coins in them. These are foreign coins. There's 4. There are 4 of this size, and then there is the... That is pretty awesome. I don't think I've ever seen a complete set like that. I'm gonna think about that. So I have the car loaded up, and I wanted to show you a couple things that I ended up getting out of the jewelry case. This is a little stone whale tail. This is really cool. I don't have 2 hands to open it up, but this is a little pencil on the side, and when you open it up, there's a little notepad in here. It's made in Germany, and there's actually somebody's got some little notes in there. I'll be doing this on one of my upcoming live sales. Super, super cool, something I've never seen before. And the ladies here, they're so nice, so helpful. They'll share with you the stories of if they know what something is. I absolutely love shopping here. This is Dog Junkies thrift store on Decatur. Oh goodness, what is the address? Hold on. 4324 Decatur Road in Las Vegas, and they are open Tuesdays through, I'm looking for their hours. I think they're closed Sundays and Mondays, and they're open Tuesday through Saturday from 11 to 4. But this Saturday, January, what will the date be? 23rd? The 23rd. They're having a 50% off sale. So if you saw something in today's video that you'd really like to have, but you're not in the Las Vegas area, leave me a comment, send me an email. I do plan on coming back Saturday morning, and I would be happy to grab that item for you if it is still here and someone else hasn't taken it. So yeah, love to support the Dog Junkies. The charity that they support is down in the description of this video, and they do good work, guys. They do good work, and I'll be coming back here more often because it's now only 10 minutes from where I live. Yay! So I didn't get here very often before because it was 40 minutes from where I live. So this is going to be one of my new regular stops. So keep watching for more Dog Junkies videos. Love little independent thrift stores and supporting them. All right, everyone. With that, go be profitable and make it fun. And we'll see you on the next one.